Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do an install and a quick review of the Hawkglow 4.5 inches LED light pods. So come on, let's begin. Sa Forge Garage, binabago ang gabi. Alright, so again, these are the Hawkglow 4.5 inches. They're claiming to be 172 watts, so around 86 watts each pod basically. And yeah, so they're 4.5 inches. And yeah, this is what you get out of the box. So you get the lights, the covers, basically the amber covers. You got a wiring harness. You got the brackets. We got the screws basically and some Allen wrench. So yeah. So for this one, uh, they have DRL basically here, and they look nice. They really look nice. I really like the design on them. So they have this DRL in here, and they also have a vent here. So if you accumulate some condensation on your lens, basically you can vent this one out. Okay, you can remove this and it will vent out to release that moisture in there. So with this, you can remove this covers. Okay, so if you just want to run basically on them just white, you can do so. And they're nice. So you see here, they have the LED there in the top. They have a LED there in the bottom. So they have dual purpose also. So they have a low beam and a high beam function on this particular light. So that's nice. With the harness, it's built nicely. So they have a dual relay setup in here. But I'm going to end up cutting this and I'll be using my switch panel. So this will be connected to a switch panel for easy connection. So other information that we have here, again, these are IP67 according to them. They're E9 approved. So with the manual in here, so there you go. It shows here the vent for the moisture or condensation. They have the DRL function, the low beam and everything like that. So here they have the diagram, what color wire, basically, what they do there. So the yellow will be the DRL, the low beam is blue, and the red is the high beam. So yeah, so again, this should be an easy, straightforward connection or install. So yeah, so for this one, basically the bottom, here in the bottom, you can mount the actual bracket or mount. So it's up to you where you want to mount them. There's a bottom mounting solution or overhead mounting solution. If you want to do that, you can do so. So that's a nice option that you can have. It's up to you how you mount this. So again, very easy. They include the screws for you to mount them. I wish they include some lock washers and a flathead flat washer, not flathead. So flat washer and a lock washers. That's gonna be nice if they included some, but that's fine. I have some extras in here. So again, this one is for the DRL connection. Again, very easy. So again, these are from Hawkglow. I'll test them, and if you want to purchase them, I'll put the link in the description below. So yeah, so I'll proceed on installing this. Okay, again, very easy. I'm not really gonna show you because we have different vehicles, so it depends how you mount them. So yeah, so again, let's proceed. All right. All right, so this is the beam pattern of this Hawkglow 4.5 inch pod lights. And yeah, the cutoff on them, it's decent. Yeah, and they're acceptable. Um, yes, you see there the hot spot in there. There's a concentration of that hot spot in there. It is nice. And this is just the low beam function. So let me turn on the high beam. All right, so there goes the high beam. And yeah, so this one is a lot brighter, of course, of that high beam. And yeah, so again, this will be helpful while you're on the trail. Again, for the price, they're not bad at all for the price. So yeah, so it's just a matter of reliability and durability. So of course, we're not gonna be able to test that. But for the light output, the beam pattern, it is acceptable. Let's test the locks on this one. Basically the output uh, on this. So approximately, I'll measure it. I'll be right back. All right, so we're going to test the light output on this one. How many locks it actually gives. This is about 18 feet of distance from my garage door where the light is. So let's check it out. All right, so we are testing the locks or the light output of this LED pods. So the light source right now is about 18 feet from me, and it is reading 900 lux. So as you see here, if you can see, but yeah, no, if you can see it, it's showing us 909 lux, and that's about 18 feet for the distance. So it's gonna be helpful. Again, it's on amber. Let's remove the cover just for the white, just to see how many lux it produce. All right. All right. So you see there, I just removed the cover, and it looks bright already. So let's test it again. So testing it. Dang, this is bright. So hold on. It's peaking. 2000 lux. So it's peaking at 2000 lux. So that's like times 10. So 203 times 10. So there you go. So of course the white one without the amber cover will be brighter. So yeah, so these are bright. So yeah, so there you go. So I'm going to install them, and I'll just show you how they look like in the vehicle. All right. All right, so here's how they look like mounted on the vehicle. They look nice. Make sure you follow my IG. I'll post some night shots of this in there. Again, these are from Hawk Glow. These are budget-friendly oriented lights, so don't expect too much. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.